Hey everybody, here's another quick little video. I've got my 2018 F-150. Spring is here, it's getting close to summer, and the AC smells a little bit rancid. So this is probably in a lot of vehicles this happens. You get moisture in the system and it creates mold and bacteria and all kinds of stuff, and so kind of not fun to be breathing that stuff in, although you like the nice cool air conditioning in the vehicle. So there's been a few videos out there that I've watched. People are spraying on your air intake on the cowling right underneath your windshield wipers, putting Lysol in there and other products. Problem is, what happens is you've got an air cabin filter in the vehicle. It's going to stop right there. You might get a little bit of the scent that's going to go through your system, but you've got an air filter in the vehicle that filters out dust and stuff. You're not going to get your system cleaned out that way. So it's going to take a few more minutes, but take the time, pull your cabin air filter out and spray this stuff in there. You're going to put it to fresh air on your system. I'll show you here how we're going to do that. And I've started disassembly to get to the cabin air filter. It's a little bit of a trick here in the F-150. Your vehicle may be different, but this is how we do it in the truck. I'll show you the steps here. Okay, the first step is to get your glove box loose. There's going to be a couple rubber stoppers on either side here, or yeah, one there and then one over on this side. And then you've got a little arm here that's kind of makes the glove box come down slow, kind of like a little shock absorber. There's a little tab here and a little guy right there, so you're going to need to push that forward on the glove box, then pop it to the outside to release this tab. Your glove box is then going to swing down low. Your cabin air filter is right back in there. Unfortunately, there's not enough room to get at it that way. So what you've got to do then, next step is to take this trim piece off here. Now that just pops up, kind of get underneath it and pop it up. And then after that, I've got the wood panel trim piece here. There's some tabs here along the back. So what I did was I just took my trim tool, got underneath it there, and then popped it out and you pulled it away. Next step here is I've got a couple little bolts right there. There's one there. That one probably not need to come out, but you got two here, and it's a 7mm socket. So we're going to take those out and then get to the next step. Okay, this upper glove box tray isn't going to come out as easy. There's the two bolts there that we've taken out, and then you got to really tug on the sucker. There's two clips on this side and two clips on the other side, and there's a little switch there plugged in, so I'll just let that hang to the side, and a little button there that's gonna make sure it goes back right in there. So now we've got the little glove, the cabin air filter door. We're gonna take that up, open, pull the filter out. Now this is a great time to put a new one in if you haven't done it recently. I've just put a new one in not too long ago, so I'll check it. Should be good, but great time. Okay, so now I've got the cabin air filter out. We're going to start the truck, put it on fresh air. Make sure you got fresh air coming in, and turn the air conditioning on full blast, come through the vents, and then we'll be spraying a bit into the area where the cabin filter was. Alright, so once you've ran the AC for, I did about 5-6 minutes, and didn't use a whole lot. I sprayed it in there for quite a bit here off and on, and then sprayed it again every couple minutes. Use some of this Lysol spray. Got this at the dollar store. It's only a couple bucks at the dollar store in Canada. It's a couple bucks in Canadian. Anyway, so once you've done that, shut the truck off, and then put everything back was. So gotta throw everything back up where it went, and then once you've put everything back into place, go for a cruise, get a Slurpee maybe, or just enjoy a good old candy bar for a job well done. All right, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.